Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic SolidWorks tutorial how to do an exploded view. I will go to assembly, click OK, and we can insert for example objects. I will use this object, click open, and then you can attach into drawing area. Now to combine these objects, you can use the math tools. I will select add these objects into this hole. Click OK. Then I will move again to here. And the next this object. Now, if you want to make an explode view, you can click these icons, explode view, and then select the object. Like as example, I will move to the top. Can click these icons and then click again. I will click these objects to the top here. And the next these objects to the bottom. Click OK to apply. And you can collapse these objects by right clicking in assembly and then click on collapse. And after it, you can use the animation tools, right click in assembly again, and then choose the animate explode. So this is for the exploding. You also can set for the animation control in here, like you can stop, and then I will use this option, click play, to be moved only one direction. And if you done, you can click this icon to stop. Click close again. So that's it for basic SolidWorks tutorial, how to do an exploded view. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.